my help showed up. I don't know how much we're going to get done. This is Pauline, my new helper.
Hey.
If it don't rain, we're going to try to get the felt paper on this side. Let's get her done. Yeah, we decided to go with this old school felt paper. Been around over 100 years. If this rain would stop, we'd get this thing done. We got rain every day next week. Gonna be in the 60s, but it's hard to work in the rain. Feels pretty good to get this OSB protected from the rain. Which this side here ain't been getting too wet because of the overhang. Trying to get this side done and get these two windows in before the day's over. If my helper don't quit on me. All right. I'll finish getting this nailed on. Get all these nails in there. We'll catch you guys in the morning, try to get these windows in. One of the main things you want to do when you're cutting these logs, making siding or any other kind of lumber, is you want to make sure that you keep the growth rings the same distance. I got roughly 6 inches to the pith of the tree. You want to make sure it's the same on both sides. Then whenever you square up your 8 inches to make your lap siding, you want to have the same amount. You want to have 4 inches on each side. That keeps your lumber straighter. It won't warp, it won't twist. If you have like 3 inches on one side and 5 inches on the other, you're going to have, your lumber's going to bow on you. So that's one of the most important things when cutting this siding, is keeping the same amount of space on each side of the pith of the tree. From the very pith of the tree, you want 4 inches and 4 inches on each end. Just a little tip. Well, we come down here yesterday and worked. Got the tripod set up, got the camera and all set up. Battery was dead as a doornail. Well, as you can see, been getting a little bit of work done. Got the windows. They're not fastened in all the way. That's what I'm going to work on today, is getting those fastened in and getting them sealed off. So I finally got it closed in to where I can work on the inside when it's cold and rainy. I got my helper coming down here after a while. She's going to put a second coat of paint on the trim. So we'll have it ready for next week when we start putting it around the windows and the doors. But yeah, it's coming together. Got a big tree cut down. I've been wanting to get it cut down. I got my neighbor cuts trees. I got him to come down here. It made me a little bit nervous. He had to put a rope in it and pull on it a little bit to keep it from falling on the cabin. I'm glad to get that thing cut and get it down. So I'm going to try to get these windows sealed in, and I'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit. Hey, I'm gonna get this other corner nailed off and call it a day. We're supposed to start getting some more rain, believe it or not. But I'm gonna end this video right here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.